And I'd like to give the floor to the distinguished representative.
In Sri Lanka, the government has taken important steps to address the serious human rights problems in the country, including by supporting the Council's resolution last October. The draft bill to create an Office of Missing Persons contains strong powers to investigate the thousands of enforced disappearances from nearly 3 decades of armed conflict. The enacted law should ensure that the OMP's findings are automatically transferred to prosecutorial bodies. The government has yet to repeal or reform the Prevention of Terrorism Act. All those still held under the PTA should be released if not appropriately charged. Since October, the government has at times appeared to backtrack on its commitment on the judicial mechanism for investigating war crimes and other serious human rights abuses by both sides. The October resolution specifically calls for the participation of foreign judges, prosecutors, investigators and defense lawyers, which is crucial to ensure the legal proceedings are protected from local pressures and have the independence that a purely domestic process would lack. The gap between the government's formal undertaking in the resolution and public statements by senior officials is an unnecessary distraction from making real progress on the pledged justice mechanism with international involvement. The statement of the Foreign Minister of Sri Lanka here in Geneva that, quote, "Our commitment to the Geneva resolution remains unchanged," and remarks that any justice mechanism needs the consent of victims groups, confirms the government's intent to honour its pledges. We urge this Council, consistent with the High Commissioner's call for sustaining its close engagement, to keep Sri Lanka on its agenda until all resolution commitments are met in full.